Good morning, dear students. We are seeing earthquake, floods, storm, and forest fire. It is a vicious circle. Climate changes cause drought. Drought causes a wildfire, and wildfire causes a further climatic changes. Almost everywhere you find a references to climatic change associated with a natural disaster. A United Nations report on a climatic change observed that the increase in a tropical cyclone intensity was larger than the climatic model had predicted, and conclusion was drawn. That is, it was a more likely than not than that there had been some human contribution to increase the intensity. It is clear that the world is getting warmer, probably due to the natural process, but it is reasonable to assume that this process is being speeded up by mankind's release into the atmosphere of a large amount of a greenhouse gas. It is also reasonable to assume that these greenhouse gases emission are having a profound effect on the world's weather. Let us know first of all what is a disaster? A sudden event that causes a large scale damage to life, property, and social aspect of a nation or society is called a disaster. The 1993 Latur earthquake struck India at 3:56 a.m. local time on 30th September. The main area affected was Maharashtra state in western India. The earthquake primarily affected the district of Latur and Usmanabad, including the Ausa block of Latur and Omarga of Usmanabad. 52 villages were demolished in the interplayed earthquake. It measured 6.2 on the moment magnitude scale, and approximately 10,000 people died, whilst another 30,000 were injured. The earthquake's hypocenter was around 10 km deep, relatively shallow, allowing shock waves to cause more damage. The 2005 Maharashtra floods refers to the flooding of many parts of the Indian state of Maharashtra, including large areas of the metropolis Mumbai, a city located on the coast of Arabian Sea on the western coast of India, in which approximately 1094 people died. Many people were stranded on the roads, lost their homes, while many walked a long distance back home from their work that evening. In July 2014, the whole village of Malin in Ambegaon Taluka of Pune district was destroyed in a matter of minutes due to the landslide. Many got buried under the heap of the soil and stones and lost their lives. In November 2015, many people died due to the flooding caused by the heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. Disaster occurs mainly by the seven reasons, and they are floods due to the heavy rains, an earthquake, lightning, a volcanic eruption, forest fires, increased risk due to the high density of a population in a limited area, rampant and irregular construction, ecological imbalance, terrorism, riots, and crimes resulting in a bomb explosions, assaults, fire, and accidents, etc.